A weed trimmer is a useful tool. It keeps your yard looking neat. But like all tools, it needs care. Regular maintenance is important. It helps your trimmer last longer. It also keeps it working well. Imagine this. You're all set to trim your lawn, but your trimmer won't start. Or it's struggling to cut through. Frustrating, right? This is where regular maintenance comes in. By taking care of your trimmer, you avoid these problems. You also save money in the long run. A well-maintained trimmer needs fewer repairs. It also lasts longer, so you won't need to replace it as often. Remember, a little maintenance goes a long way. It ensures your trimmer is always ready for action. So let's learn how to keep your trimmer happy. There are different types of maintenance for your trimmer. Some tasks should be done daily. Others can be done weekly or seasonally. Daily maintenance. After each use, clean your trimmer. Remove any grass or debris. This prevents buildup. Buildup can affect performance. Weekly maintenance. Once a week, check your trimmer's line. Replace it if it's worn or broken. Also, check the air filter if your trimmer has one. Clean or replace it as needed. Seasonal maintenance. Before storing your trimmer for the season, give it a thorough cleaning. Lubricate any moving parts. This prevents rust and corrosion. For gas trimmers, drain the fuel or use a fuel stabilizer. Following this schedule ensures your trimmer stays in top shape. It also helps you identify potential problems early on. Cleaning your trimmer is crucial. It prevents dirt and debris from causing damage. It also keeps your trimmer looking its best. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Disconnect the trimmer from the power source. For electric trimmers, unplug it. For gas trimmers, remove the spark plug wire. Step 2. Use a brush or cloth to remove grass and debris. Pay attention to the trimmer head, shield, and air vents. Step 3. For stubborn dirt, use soapy water and a sponge. Avoid getting the motor wet, especially in electric trimmers. Step 4. Dry the trimmer thoroughly before storing it. Use a clean cloth or let it air dry completely. Remember, a clean trimmer is a happy trimmer. Regular cleaning keeps it running smoothly and efficiently. Section 4. Inspecting and replacing. Keeping things in tip-top shape. Inspecting your trimmer regularly helps you catch problems early. This prevents bigger issues and costly repairs down the line. Check the trimmer line. The trimmer line takes the most wear. Inspect it for fraying, breaking, or becoming too short. Replace it when needed. Examine the trimmer head. The trimmer head houses the line. Make sure it's not cracked or damaged. Replace it if you notice any issues. Inspect the air filter. A clogged air filter restricts airflow to the engine. This can affect performance. Check the air filter and clean or replace it as needed. Check for loose parts. Look for any loose screws, bolts, or other parts. Tighten them or replace them if they're damaged. By inspecting these key areas, you can ensure your trimmer is always in top working condition. Section 5. Storing your trimmer a cozy off-season. Proper storage is essential for protecting your trimmer. This is especially important during the off-season when it's not in use. Cleaning before storage. Thoroughly clean your trimmer before storing it. This removes any dirt, debris, or moisture that could cause damage over time. Storing gas trimmers. For gas trimmers, drain the fuel tank completely, or add a fuel stabilizer to prevent the fuel from degrading. Storing electric trimmers. Store electric trimmers in a dry, cool place. Keep them away from moisture and extreme temperatures. Protecting your trimmer. Consider storing your trimmer in a covered shed or garage. This protects it from dust, dirt, and pests. By following these storage tips, you can ensure your trimmer stays in good condition for many seasons to come. Section 6. Safety first. Trimming with care. Using a weed trimmer can be dangerous if you're not careful. Always prioritize safety when operating your trimmer. Wear safety gear. Always wear safety glasses, gloves, and long pants. This protects you from flying debris and potential injuries. Be aware of your surroundings. Before you start trimming, clear the area of any obstacles. Be mindful of children, pets, and bystanders. Use caution on slopes. Be extra careful when using a trimmer on slopes. Avoid trimming on steep inclines to prevent accidents. Disconnect before maintenance. Always disconnect the trimmer from the power source before cleaning, inspecting, or replacing parts. Remember, safety should always be your top priority. By following these precautions, you can trim your lawn safely and efficiently,